Welcome to the Creighton Farms kitchen. I'm Chef Reid. Today we're going to be making our Korean fried cauliflower for you that we run on specials regularly. And so we thought we'd show you how to do it. So first thing, take one head of cauliflower. That's enough to do about one appetizer for about 4 people. So, take a knife, cut the core out. Good. Cut the core out. You want to cut in small pieces about like this. And you can just pull it apart with your fingers. Okay. Doesn't have to be exact. After we cook it, it's going to shrink down a little bit. So pieces that you may think look a little big are going to be just fine. Large piece you can cut in half. Okay. So we're going to take all that, put it in a bowl. We have a little bit of blended olive oil here with some canola. We're going to season the cauliflower, a little kosher salt, and some fresh ground black pepper. We're going to give it a toss onto a sheet pan, and then this is going in the oven at 350 until the cauliflower is just cooked through. And what do you know? Just by chance, so we're going to make the Korean fried cauliflower sauce that we serve at the club here regularly. So the base of this sauce is a fermented chili paste called gochujang. Comes in a container like this. You can find it at the Asian grocer. Comes in all different heat levels. You can pick a heat level that suits your taste. We usually try to use a mild paste to make a little bit more broad appeal. So to start out, we've got a half cup of gochujang. And we have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, a half tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 3 tablespoons of honey. Mix this up with a whisk. Make a little mess, that's all right. So the sauce we have here is pretty thick. Now, because we're going to be frying this cauliflower, we want to thin it out because a thick sauce is going to keep the cauliflower from coming out crispy. So we've got about 1/4 cup to a half cup of just water, and we're going to thin the sauce down. And this is about the consistency you want. Just so it coats the back of the spoon. It's about like that. All right, we've got our fried cauliflower here. This is about 1 order. So we've got our prepared sauce. We're not going to need all of this. You can make this recipe. This will keep in the fridge for quite a while, for at least a week. So you can use it for whatever you want. Put it on your eggs, put it on pizza. So we're just going to take that, just a little bit of the sauce. Give it a toss, just enough to coat it. Got a plate here. arrange the cauliflower on the plate. Then we'll garnish with some sesame seeds. And some chopped cilantro. Be generous with it. And that's how you do Korean fried cauliflower. See you next time.